This video shows you how to use the LinkedIn Sales Navigator to develop sales relationships and connect with potential decision makers. Let's see how you search and match with a new contact using the LinkedIn network. While targeting new prospects, you probably know their job title or company's name. The LinkedIn Sales Navigator directly connects you with LinkedIn profiles. LinkedIn will present you with other matching profiles for the contact that you just searched for. Find the contact you want to connect with. When you click Match, LinkedIn information is connected with your new contact in the Oracle Sales application. In the Navigator, view the contact's profile. Use icebreakers to start to establish and build sales relationships with this contact. You can send a quick message or connect by inviting the contact to your LinkedIn network. If you share common contacts, you could ask them to make an introduction. And you can even view additional details about the common contact. LinkedIn suggests other people connected with the contact. You can use related leads to connect with them to expand your network and identify potential leads or decision makers. Save your contact in Sales Navigator to save your leads in a customized LinkedIn list. Now, coming back to your sales application, see the contact you just matched. In addition to contacts, the LinkedIn Sales Navigator is available on the Lead records in your sales application. Now, you can see all the information from LinkedIn without having to leave your sales application. Thank you.